Hello, I'm Katherine Munson, an elementary math coach, and I'm here today to practice creating numbers in different ways. The I can statement for this lesson is I can create models that show the same number in different ways. So you've probably seen pieces like this in your classroom. These are called base 10 pieces. And the reason is because if we put 10 of these together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I guess I should have said this is the ones piece. That's why I'm counting them out by 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And if I put that one there, it becomes 10. And we now have a group of 10 that would be equal to this one rod of 10. So we count the units by 1, and we count the tens by 10. We'd put 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now let's put those together like we put the ones. These are called 10 rods. If we put 10 rods together, we will get 100 as we just counted, and that will be equal, better check myself, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That should be equal to the 100. If you see, if I put it on top, that's going to be equaled. So 10 ones units equals the 10 rod. 10 of the 10 rods together equals the 100 flat. So now we're going to be practicing making numbers like our I can statement said, creating models that show the same number in different ways. So let's say I created the number 100, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. So now I've created the number 132. This is one model to show that, but remember we said we're going to make that same number in a different way. So one different way that I could make that is I could look at this 100 and I could say, oh, you know what? I know that 100 is the same thing as 10 of the 10 rods. So I could take this one and trash it. And I could trade in and put 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I could put 10 more in there and still see that before I had 100, 3 tens, and 2 ones. Now I can see that that's the same thing, or that 13 tens and 2 ones also equals 132. I can think of another way to do it. So I traded in the 100 flat for 10 rods. What if I took one of the 10 rods and traded it for 10 ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now let's count to see if I really still have 132. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 121, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So I still have 132. I just created a different way to show it. Now it's your turn to play around with the base 10 pieces and see if you can come up with different ways to model numbers. Have fun!